The images of this unusual train were presented in the international internet community of artists and designers, and users from all over the world were fascinated. The Frecciarossa 1000 is about 400 km per hour, and the maximum speed on rails is 360 km per hour. The train was specially created to provide comfortable transportation of passengers on long travels. For example, the Frecciarossa 1000 overcomes a distance of 574 km in 2 hours and 15 minutes. The train can travel in both directions. It's 200 meters long and it's divided into 8 wagons, which accommodate 485 passengers in 4 different comfort classes. The CRH-330A can reach speeds of more than 350 km per hour, and during the test runs it reached almost 420 km per hour. This model allows significantly reducing the travel time between cities. Instead of 78 minutes, the 202-km road now takes 45 minutes with intermediate stops. It's also worth noting that the CRH-380A needs 7 minutes to accelerate to 380 km per hour. Shanghai Maglev, which connects the Shanghai Metro Lunyang-Lu station with the Pudong International Airport. The train overcomes a distance of 30 km in approximately 7 minutes and 20 seconds, while reaching a speed of 432 km per hour for about 1.5 and 2 minutes. A significant part of the route is located along a swampy terrain. Each trestle support is located on a concrete cushion, mounted on a rock foundation. In some places, the thickness of this pillow reaches 85 meters. The maglev train travels 15 centimeters above the surface of the track, and it's raised by electromagnets. By JR Central and JR West, the Shinkansen N700 overcomes the distance between the cities of Tokyo and Osaka, about 515 kilometers, in 2 hours and 25 minutes. This model can reach speeds of up to 300 kilometers per hour, and the ability to tilt allows it to maintain a speed of 270 kilometers per hour on curves, up to a radius of 2,500 meters. Another feature of the N700 is that it accelerates faster than other trains produced by Shinkansen. In just 3 minutes, the train can reach a speed of 270 km per hour. It travels along the route the Taipei-Kaohsiung. The length of this highway, stretching along the west coast of the island, is about 335 kilometers. The THSR 700T is able to overcome this distance in just an hour and a half. In the case of an emergency stop, the stopping distance of the train going at full speed will be almost 4 kilometers, needing 2.5 minutes to fully stop. The average speed of the THSR 700T varies kilometers per hour. The manufacturers also make a unique train designed by representatives of the American animated channel Cartoon Network. Travels. ICE 3 consists of 8 cars. The so-called traction groups of 3 cars located at the end of the train include 2 additional trailer cars. 2 ICE 3 trains can be combined into one with multi-control, with the train lines being connected. Among the distinctive characteristics of this train is its high power, equal to 19 kilowatts per 1 ton of mass. The train can reach a maximum speed of 330 km per hour from any city in Germany to neighbouring cities in Switzerland, Belgium, Austria and the Netherlands. Plans to open 28 new high-speed trains. They'll be built at the factories of Alstom in Hornell. Avelia Liberty will consist of 2 compact head cars for equipment only, and 9 cars with passenger cabins. If necessary, the number of passenger wagons can be increased to 12. Trains are supposed to be equipped with the Alstom tilt body system of Tiltronic's wagons, and a high-tech crash protection system. The Avelia Liberty is designed for driving at speeds of up to 300 km per hour. high-speed trains TGV. This model is operated by the French railway company SNCF. These two-tier trains can travel at a maximum speed of 320 km per hour. Euro duplex trains started to travel in December 2011, and one Alstom Euro duplex holds 1,020 passengers at a time. The Eurostar E320 is a British high-speed electric train of the TVG series, which runs between the UK, Belgium and France via the tunnel under the English Channel, which is the second longest railway tunnel in the world. The electric train stands out for its length, up to 394 meters. The capacity of the Model E320 is 900 passengers, and the working speed of the vehicle reaches 300 kilometers per hour. So, the route from London to Paris on this train takes 2 hours and 16 minutes. Hyperloop was conceived as an overhead pipeline located on supports, where single track speed of 480 to 1,220 km per hour, depending on the terrain. Hyperloop can overcome a distance of 1,200 km in just an hour. Built the new generation high-speed train HEMU 430X and put it into operation in 2012. This vehicle can accelerate up to 430 km per hour. On initial tests, the HEMU 430X was able to accelerate to 300 km per hour in less than 4 minutes. According to Korean experts, after 3 years of refinement, the speed of the advanced model 430X can reach 500 km per hour.